Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's video, Erin will be sharing her current nail care routine with you to help give you ideas on how you can take good care of your nails, hands, and cuticles at home.
Hey guys, it's Erin. So the first thing I'm going to do in this easy nail care routine is use a cuticle exfoliator. This is an alternative to cutting your cuticles since there is a high risk of infection if you cut your cuticles. So I prefer to use an exfoliator like this. All you have to do to use it is apply it to the top of your nail in the cuticle area and let it sit for about 30 seconds to a minute. Once it's sat there for long enough, I'm taking a cuticle pusher and gently pushing back my cuticles. This one is double-ended, so one of them has a rounded end, and then the other end is pointy, which is great for scraping away any dead skin. So again, make sure you're gentle with this process and just push back your cuticles, and then I'm using the other end to scrape away any of the dead skin so I'm left with soft, nice cuticles. I'm just repeating this on all of my nails, and as you can see, the cuticle exfoliator just helps lift off that dead skin so it's easy to push away with the cuticle pusher. Once I finish doing that on all of my nails, I'm going to be cleaning off my hands because I don't want that cuticle exfoliator to sit on my hands longer than it has to. And then I'm going to replenish the moisture in my cuticles and nails with a cuticle oil. To make sure my whole nail is moisturized, I'm applying the cuticle oil all over my cuticles and around the skin on my nails, as well as across my nail, and then a little bit under my nail as well since I have longer nails, so it just helps make sure the entire nail is moisturized. The next step is filing your nails. I highly recommend using a glass nail file. They're much more durable, long-lasting, and they tend to tug less on your nails, so they run less of a risk of splitting your nails. They just tend to be a lot less abrasive than a typical emery board. Of course, when you're doing this step, you should file your nails however you like them. I like mine to be pretty square, so I file straight across the bottom of my nail and then slightly down each side of my nail just to make sure I get a sharp corner. So I'm just repeating that on all of my nails and shortening them to the length that I like and making sure they're the shape that I like. So now all of my nails are filed and moisturized, my cuticles are pushed back, and I'm ready for my next manicure. If you have any hangnails or dead skin hanging off the side of your nails, you can use a clipper, but I try to avoid this as much as possible, and there are ways that you can prevent this from happening in the future. The most important thing for any nail care routine is moisturizing your nails. I tend to keep a bunch of cuticle oils on hand, and I like them for different purposes. So ones like these that come in a roller ball are really great to throw in a purse or a backpack. They're just easy to apply and really easy to transport. I just roll a little bit onto each nail and then gently rub it in all over my nails and cuticles with my finger. If you don't like oils very much, you could go for something like this, which is from Butter London, and it's more of a balm. The lotion just squeezes out of the tube here, and then you can just apply a little bit to each cuticle. And then again, I'm going to be just rubbing in this balm to my nails and the skin around my nails. This one feels a lot less oily, so if that's something you prefer, then you might prefer a nail product like this. Here's another example of a good cuticle oil that you can take on the go with you. It has a nice little keychain attachment if you want to put it on a purse or on your keys. And again, it's a roller ball, so I'm just rolling this onto my cuticles and rubbing it in. You can also use the cuticle oil like the one I used earlier in this video, where it's a brush tip, and then I just brush it all over my nails and under my nails. find a moisturizing cuticle product that works best for you and stick to it, because constantly moisturizing your nails and cuticles will prevent future breakage, future hangnails, and just overall keep your nails healthier. Now this is a trick I like to do at night, and especially when the weather's getting colder and drier, which we are coming up on that time of year. So I like to take a heavier cuticle product like this Lemony Flutter Cuticle Butter from Lush. And this is a much more rich and moisturizing lotion type product. So I like to take a little bit. All you need is a little bit on your finger, just like this, and this is enough for one of my hands. Then I'm just rubbing that all over my nails. And since the dry air tends to dry out my hands, I'll take this Neutrogena Norwegian formula hand cream and just apply a little bit on the back of my hand, especially on my knuckles where I get some dryness. And I'll rub that all into my hands and into my nails, just so the moisturizer is everywhere. Applying these products before bed and finding a nighttime routine that works for you to moisturize your hands and cuticles is a great way to really let the products sit on your skin and seep in all night. If you're looking for a quick fix of a way to moisturize your hands and nails throughout the day, you can just apply these products or apply some kind of cuticle oil and then wear some sort of glove to lock in that moisture and really let it seep into your skin. You can wear these around the house while you're doing chores, or even if you're just watching a TV show, and when you take the gloves off, you're going to find that the moisturizers really are locked into your hands. And there you have your super simple nail care routine. All you need are a few tools and just to make sure you keep your nails healthy and moisturized. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you want to see more videos from Cute Polish, you can click the boxes here, or you can click the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. You can also subscribe to my personal nail channel by clicking the circle here.